Let's make matoke crisps. And before you ask, yes, I am obsessed with bananas kwa sababu nililelewa wapi? Murang'a, Maragwa. So you have to wash your bananas thoroughly before you peel them. And this is the right way to peel a banana. You're welcome. Peeling bananas is the only difficult task here. So after that, you just prepare your oil. Alafu tumia this one. This is the best thing I've bought in my life kwa sababu ya hizi banana grips because I love them too much. It gives you the best shape for your crepes. So after hiyo mafuta ikishakuwa moto, you just put your bananas in there and you cook them until they start to turn just kidogo tu hivi brown or mafuta ikitulia. Now you know that your crepes are ready. Also, don't trust me kukupikia because this is how I cook them. I cook, I eat. I cook, I eat. They are that delicious. Anyway, Simona tawesi kazi nyingi. So they are ready and now it's time to check. I made this for a movie night. Oh, and remember to add a pinch of salt. Just kidogo kabisa. Yeah, itakuwa very, very delicious. Kidogo kabisa, trust me. Just kidogo. And then, hii ni ile scenario ya before you even watch the movie, before you start the movie, they are zimeisha.